Hi everyone, my name is Vinisha and these are my teammates Monica, Niharika. Our project is weather station receiver. In this project we are going to measure temperature, pressure, humidity and wind speed.
Our project is done under the guidance of G. Sandhya Rani ma'am, Assistant Professor, GRIT Triply Department.
Here is the circuit board embedded with humidity sensor SYHS220, temperature sensor LM35, pressure sensor MP3V5050GP and proximity sensor, which is used for wind speed measurement. The sensor's output is given to Arduino kit, which is an interfacing medium between hardware kit and PC. This is the Arduino kit. The microcontroller used in this kit is Atmega 328 microcontroller. Coming to the pin description of microcontroller. It consists of 6 analog pins from A0 to A5, 8 digital I/O pins from 2 to 13, 2 serial communication pins used for transmitting and receiving data. There are 3 ground pins, out of which one is digital ground pin. There are 2 power pins, one is of 3.3 volts and the other is of 5 volts. This is the reset button and this is the reset pin. And here is the USB plug. Coming to sensors. This is the pressure sensor. It can take voltage from 2.7 volts to 3.3 volts. There is a pin available in Arduino kit with 3.3 volts supply. As pressure sensor can take a maximum of 3.3 volts, we can directly connect it to the pin available in Arduino kit. Humidity sensor, temperature sensor and proximity sensor are given a supply of 5 volts from Arduino kit. The outputs of these 4 sensors are given to Arduino analog. The ground pin of Arduino is connected to the ground pin in circuit board. Let us now go to the programming part.
Before writing the program, we need to set the COM port. Click on the tools and then serial port. Here we need to select the COM port as it is displayed, which is connected to the Arduino.
Here is the code for interfacing Arduino with Meguino Link, where Meguino Link is a simple graphical interface to Arduino for uploading compiled code. Through this we can plot the data in real time. Here we have included 2 header files named graph series and frequency count. Graph series is used for plotting and frequency count is used for counting the frequency. Here graph series is a data type. Under this data type we are declaring an array graphs which includes 4 elements. These names are taken as labels to the respective graphs automatically. Coming to the void setup, it is used to initialize variables, pin modes and start using libraries. Serial.begin sets the data rate in bits per second for serial data transmission. To communicate with computer, we use a baud rate of 9600 bits per second. Coming to pin mode, this pin mode configures the specified pin to behave either in input or output mode. We are using 3 analog pins and 1 digital pin. All are used in input mode. Frequency count.begin begins frequency counting. Here 1000 provides direct frequency instead of multiplying any scale factor. Coming to the void loop, the statements included in this loop are repeated continuously. In this loop, we are using a for loop which repeats for 4 times as we are using 4 sensors. For example, for I is equals to 0, graph 0 takes temperature element and the function f of 0 returns a temperature value to Meguino Link. Coming to the functions which are called by the send data. For x equal to 0, the function will return temperature value. Here we are using analog read function which reads the analog value connected to the A3 pin. As the Arduino reads in bits, there is a need for converting the bits into the analog values. For 5 volts it gives 1023 bits. These are the statements used for converting bits into temperature. here 100 is being multiplied as the sensor gives 10 millivolts per 1 degree centigrade. If x equal to 1, these block of statements are being executed and the pressure value is sent to the function. And this block of statements even include some calibrations as given in the data sheet. If x equal to 2, these block of statements are being executed and the humidity value is being sent to the above function. If x equal to 3, these block of statements are being executed and we are using the frequency count.available function which returns true when there is a new measurement. Let me explain about the speed using our wind gauge that we have designed in our. As and when the vane crosses the proximity sensor senses and gives a count 1. As there are 3 vanes being used, for every 3 counts, it gives 1 revolution. We all know that speed is nothing but number of revolutions into 2 pi r. These two statements are being used for the calibration of the speed, and the speed is being returned to the above function. After the programming part is completed, save the Arduino code and then check for any errors are there by clicking the verify option. Yes, now the program is being compiled. Later, upload the code. It takes few seconds to upload the code. Now the program is being uploading. Yes, now the program is being uploaded. Now let us see the output by clicking on the serial monitor. All the values are being displayed on the serial monitor like this. Now let us see the output in the Meguino link. This is the Meguino link window. We need to set the baud rate to 9600 and then later you need to select the COM port to which your Arduino is being connected. Here it's being connected to COM1. Later you need to connect. Click on the connect. This is the way the data is being displayed in the Meguino link. For the graphs, you need to click on. The graphs are being displayed like this using Meguino link. The red line is for temperature and the blue line is for humidity and the green line is for pressure and the black line gives the wind speed. Till now we have seen the output in the Meguino link. Now let us view the output in user-friendly platform, that is in Excel. In order to view the data in Excel, we are using PLX DAC which can communicate with Arduino. Here is the program for interfacing with Arduino. Few functions are similar as explained before. Coming to this statement, we are using label as a directive which labels the columns from A to Z. Row 1 is used for labeling. The labels here we are used are temperature, pressure, humidity, speed and time. In the next statement, we are using clear data, which is a directive which clears the data from the columns starting from row 2. This statement is used to store data from column A onwards using these directives, that is data and time. These block of statements are similar as explained before for the measurement of temperature, speed, pressure and humidity. Now let us go for the compiling part. First save the program and then verify the program. After compiling, now let us upload the program. It's being uploading. It just take few seconds for uploading. Yes, now the program is being uploaded. Now let us see the procedure for interfacing with Excel sheet using PLX DAG. There is a procedure you need to follow. First, click on the options, enable this content, click on enable this content, click on OK, click on OK. Now you will get a tab. In this, you need to select the COM port to which your Arduino is being connected, and then set the baud rate that's being written in the program, and then click on connect. This is the way you will get the output and the Excel. First column gives the temperature, second column gives the pressure values, and the third column gives the humidity, and the fourth column which gives the speed. This data can be stored and can be analyzed later. This data will help for predicting the weather and for the future use also. Thank you.